Alright guys, well, not working on the Yukon, but I am going over a little something. If you know by the title, I'm going over my exhaust that I did late last year. It is true dual exhaust with Hooker stainless steel long tube headers. Then it goes into a 2.5-inch Warlock muffler. The Warlock muffler actually has a bypass built into it, and I put a cutout on that bypass. So I got an electric exhaust cutout from BadlanzHPE 2.5, and then it goes outside the frame and out the side on both sides to 2 slashed 3.5-inch tips, stainless steel. So I'll show you underneath first, and then I'll show you the headers. These are the tips right here. This is one side. This is the other side. And I'll show you the driver's side because they're both the same. There's my Hooker long tube headers, stainless steel, going into a V-band, going into 2 stainless steel elbows, going into the Warlock muffler, which is down below the cross member. Now, this doesn't bother me too much. It does make me lose probably between 6 and 7 inches of ground clearance, but that's not a problem for me. I'm eventually going to probably, I got a gas tank right there. I'm probably going to get the 2-door Tahoe fuel tanks that are actually behind the axle. That way I can bring this whole exhaust system up above the frame. But until then, this is the way it is. There's the Warlock muffler again. I don't know what you can see. Got another V-band, and then it goes, twists, comes outside the frame, goes down, and then comes out my tips. It's like that on both sides, so I'm not going to worry with showing you both sides. There's my exhaust cutouts right there. Both sides. You can see that side pretty good. There's my headers. I don't know what you can see because the screen's blacked out basically by the sun. So I'm going to do slow acceleration, moderate acceleration, and wide open throttle on both the cutouts closed and the cutouts open. I'm also going to try to get a couple drive-bys of medium throttle and high throttle, wide open throttle, with both the cutouts open and closed.